my channel. It is so good to have you, and thank you for joining me once again. I am ID Francis. So today I'm going to show you how I'm able to maintain my twists, making them look very lovely as it is. This is just about a week plus, a week and a few days since I installed this twist, and I've been taking care of it by myself. And most people think that once you have a twist or that you don't need to care for your hair again, like, oh my god, thank god the hair is out of the way. But it is not like that with natural hair. I mean, especially the African hair, you need to care for your hair always, else you will see your hair will grow but you won't be able to retain growth. Other stuff which I'm going to be showing you in the video, so just keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click the bell that is just right beside it so that you'll be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. So let's see how I actually mix all this together. I have here this As I Am Grow Wash Cleansing Cream Conditioner for type hair, cleansing conditioner. This is what I'm going to be mixing to my spray bottle. I don't have money. I would have bought the other one, but when it comes to hair, I always find way around it. I really love this conditioner because of the slip. It makes my hair very soft whenever I apply it to my hair. Next thing I'm going to be using is my As I Am Coil Defining Jelly for tightly coiled natural hair textures. Sadly, this is like I'm almost done with this particular one. I really love this gel because it doesn't make the hair to be flaky like other gels. That's why I'm definitely going to repurchase this particular gel because I love it and I mean it. I don't know, I didn't mention this, using this Grow Wash Cleansing Cream Conditioner really made me to fall in love with the As I Am, and I'm really going to try using it for the rest of I'm going to try their other hair care products once I have the money. This is actually a Nigerian brand. This is Zizam. This is from Zizam, leave-in conditioning cream from Zizam. So I'm going to be mixing this to my spray bottle as well. The first thing I'm going to do is to scoop the As I Am into my spray bottle. I don't know how cool this is, using a conditioner for your hair. I don't know. The next I'm gonna do is to go with the gel. This is this is like the last one. So I'm gonna add my Zizam. I'm not measuring this, I'm just eyeballing it. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my oils. This is the neem oil. The vitamin E oil. Like half a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna add the amla oil, half a teaspoon as well. Add the rosemary oil. Add the sesame oil. I'm gonna add the jojoba oil. And I'm gonna add the Blad seed oil. I'm gonna add my Jamaican black castor oil from Sunny Isle. Added water to it. Yeah. Then I'm gonna mix everything together until it is evenly mixed. Okay, so this is what we actually make. And here I can comfortably call this my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I can actually call it my leave-in conditioner, but not a leave-in conditioner, but actually very rich, because I added a lot of oils to this. You must not add all those oils, just what your pocket is able to take care of. After all, I don't have money to buy the leave-in conditioning milk, and I'm converting my conditioner into it. So you can also do it. Just be creative with it, okay? So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to spray this on my hair. Okay, so after spraying for some time and ensuring that my hair have enough of the product, I'm just going to use my hand to evenly distribute the product to my twist. And I can see that hair is still very dry, so I'm going to add more. Okay, so I'm just going to massage this to my scalp. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is just enough and perfect. So one thing I'll do once I go off camera is to cover my hair with a shower cap, and off the way, like I'll just cover it with a shower cap for the moisture to actually seal in. I don't know whether that really makes sense, but that is what I do to my hair. So on a normal day, what I do is that I do this before I enter the bathroom, morning or at night. So by the time I come out, I just slip it and put it in my hair bonnet. The hair is not really drainingly wet, it's just like enough to give the hair life and to like make my twist to look shiny and lovelier. Okay, so this is actually where I'm gonna end this video. If you find this helpful in any way, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it, so that you'll be notified anytime a new video comes into this channel. And if you have private hair questions that you want to ask me, and you're having any challenge with your hair, it's not growing, you don't know which product to do, please feel free to send me a DM on my Instagram. I'm going to be leaving it here or here, and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. It's actually my pleasure to help a lot of African women go from the perm hair to the relaxed hair. Okay, so send me your questions and drop your comment in the comment section down below. I'm gonna love you if you do that. So, and if you actually watch this video to the end, please just comment below twist. Yeah, just let me know that you watched this video to the end. Just comment below twist. Okay, so until another time when I will come your way, my name is Francis. Bye.